Yo, what's up, Bladers? Welcome back to another intense Beyblade burst battle. As you can see, we have Vise Leopard, Laban's Vise Leopard, 12 lift Volcanic -S, against the Valt Aoi's Wonder Valtryek, the world champion, 12 Volcanic S. So it's gonna be whoever gets 6 points wins. And halfway for the battle, whenever one bay gets 3 points, I'll switch them both into slingshot mode. Leopard will be launched first since it has more stamina. And let's get started with round 1. Leopard got stuck in the rails earlier. But despite that, it still wins with the battle of stamina, gaining 1 point. Okay. There we go. Round 2. Valtryek's just circling around, missing all of its attacks. Leopard's just chilling in the middle. And once again, Vise Leopard wins the battle with stamina. The score is now 2-0. And Leopard takes down Valtryek again. Those are some epic hits. Now I'm switching Leopard in slingshot mode. I'm still going to keep the frame on though. Let's see what happens. Wonder Whip. Oh. Leopard just keeps sending Valtryek back. He's just... seems like it's tanking them hits. Now has 4 points. And both bays switch back into battle ring mode for whatever reason. Which is annoying. So, oh, it bursted in my hands. It was that close? That's insane. Alright then. Making sure they're on the launchers and... alright. And Leopard went too wild and went into the pocket. Let's redo that. Howling Bite. And this time Wonder Valtryek finally gets a point. A survivor finish of its own. Alright then. The score is now 4-1. The stadium keeps moving to the side a little bit, but Leopard wins that round with the survivor finish. I'm gonna switch them back to the battle ring mode. So, there we go. So, this could potentially be the final round. Valtryek went weird on the rails. Oh, wait, will it win? Will it win? It did. A well-timed Wonder Whip knocks it into the rails. Knocks Leopard into the rails. And lost all the stamina. So Valtryek now has 2 points. The score is 4-2. Can the speed cradle? Can Valtryek take it? No, it can't. Leopard just had better stamina. Valtryek was like so close to bursting too. So your overall winner was Laban's Vise Leopard, surprisingly. Destroy just gives it so much better stamina compared to Valtryek. Hope y'all enjoyed this battle. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see y'all next time for more intense Beyblade Burst battles. I'm out of here.